Hi and welcome. Writing articles and ads for SEO and digital marketing is not as easy as it sounds, especially when you need to get the most out of your marketing campaign and create a message that stands out from the crowd. With artificial intelligence, you can save time and get a copy similar to ads and landing pages with high conversions. One tool you can use to do this is AnyWord. AnyWord uses artificial intelligence for effective marketing language that accounts for $250 million in ad spending using data from some of the world's leading brands. The platform uses multiple language models that can analyze text and understand its intent and ideal audience, allowing it to create a marketing-worthy copy in just seconds. In addition to being able to create compelling marketing copy, AnyWord can also help you generate ideas and outlines for your writing projects. AnyWord can also has a unique feature that allows you to predict the impact and get immediate feedback before publishing your content. AnyWord's main goal is to help its customers increase conversion rates and sales by using powerful artificial intelligence that drive results. In just 3 clicks, you can create a large-scale copy. AnyWord helps speed up workflow and increase productivity by seamlessly creating multiple versions of marketing texts. AnyWord offers a suite of copywriting tools tailored to specific platforms to reach your target audience. AnyWord can also help brainstorm text and message options, perfect for those days when your brain is drawing a blank. One feature that sets AnyWord apart from other well-known AI copywriting services is the ability to check the impact of your content with a predictive performance score. This shows which type of content is most likely to impact your audience, saving your time and resources. AnyWord offers 3 types of plans: Starter, Pro, and Enterprise. Starter plan features include access to AnyWord's basic content creation tools as well as predictive performance estimates based on 2B data points. With this plan, you can generate up to 15,000 words per month. The Pro and Enterprise plans include the same features available for the initial plan, only with multiple locations and unlimited words. In addition to the basic features, the Pro and Enterprise plans include deeper copy creation advanced tools optimized for publishers and developers, which sets AnyWord apart from most other AI-based copywriting services. The Pro plan allows you to customize AnyWord so that it writes more than you do. You can connect ad accounts and websites so that AnyWord recognizes your tone and style from previously created ads and copy. The corporate plan allows you to enter data to customize your ad generation and improve your project ROI. Because of the various features AnyWord offers, using the platform can seem a little overwhelming. However, once you sign up and get to your dashboard, you'll be greeted with an informative tour and guide on how to use AnyWord. Compared to other AI copywriting services, AnyWord interface isn't as simple, but after a quick tutorial, you'll quickly realize that is not that confusing at all. Everything is easily accessible and understandable. You'll just have to explore the platform by yourself to fully understand how to start creating or improving AnyWord copies. AnyWord has many more tools than others, so be sure to familiarize yourself with them to get the most out of the platform. Given that AnyWord offers a predictable engagement rate, the $19 starter plan is a good deal and one of the cheapest options among other services. Note, however, that this plan will allow you to generate up to 15,000 words per month. However, AnyWord mainly focuses on ads for social media platforms, product descriptions, headlines, sketches, and blog posts, which are shorter forms of content that will probably only require a few words per copy. When you get to this page, AnyWord just briefly and quickly introduces the platform. As you scroll down the page, you can see a simple demonstration of AnyWord's capabilities, some logos and quotes from their successful clients, and links to their latest blog. At the end of the homepage, you can also see links where you can read and book their special services designed for publishers and developers. AnyWord offers a free 7-day trial and there's no time needed to register. All you need to do is enter your email address and password or sign up using your Google account to take advantage of the trial. The trial includes access to Starter and Pro plan features with a 5,000 word limit. After registering, AnyWord will ask you a series of questions to get you started. To start creating copies, you first need to create a new project. After you register and answer the questions, you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll be able to see all of your previous projects. After you click on a new project, you'll be promoted to select the type of copy you want to create. With AnyWord, you can create marketing ads, landing pages, email themes, blog headlines and splash pages, promotional text messages, and editorial advertising content. After selecting from the available tools, AnyWord will take you to a workspace dedicated to creating the type of copy you choose, unlike other platforms where the copy creation process is largely a single window interface. If you choose to create ad copies, you'll be prompted to enter your project name, industry of theme, and a description of your product. When you're done, click Create Project to go to your workspace. On the left side of your workspace is a list of the types of ad copy you can create with AnyWord, from headlines and captions for Facebook and Instagram to headlines and descriptions on Pinterest. Next to that list, you can customize your AI. With AnyWord, you can create a copy or enhance the copy you've already made. For each type of ad, there will be specific text boxes, choices, and modes that you can customize. Most people's mailboxes are full today, so they only check a few emails they receive daily. Without catchy interactive subject lines, your emails will not be read. But not everyone can write catchy subject lines without trying. AnyWord offers email subject lines that you can use for your email marketing campaigns. So when you create a project, click the email subject line to get started. On this page, you'll enter data such as the project name and the main text of the email to create the subject line. You can then save some of the subject lines and edit them to your liking. If you run a business website, publishing blog posts is one of the ways to connect with your audience. Unfortunately, writing doesn't come naturally to everyone. If writing is a job you always want to avoid, this option will be good for you. On the setup page, you can enter a title and description for your blog post. Although you may need an entire article, AnyWord doesn't do that yet, and the sentence here pale in quality compared to promotional text. Nevertheless, it does offer an outline and introductory paragraph to start with. So if you want to try this fantastic tool to improve your business, make sure that you found the link in the description panel of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. Cheers and see you in the next video. Bye.